Hello teacher and classmates, my name is Liliana Maria Jimenez Londoño. I am a student of Psychologics program at the National University. I live in Pereira, Risaralda. I live with my husband and my children. I have 2 pets and a cat. This is my presentation for a normal day or daily routine. Daily activities at home. I wake up at 5 a.m. every morning. I press the snooze button 5 times every morning before I turn off the alarm and get up. I have a coffee and make breakfast. I usually read the newspaper while I have breakfast. My children like to have a shower and they have breakfast, but I like to have a shower before I get dressed. Daily activities at work. I go to work at 6:45 a.m. every morning. I usually drive to work. I always check my emails when I get to work, but I don't always reply to them immediately. I take a taxi or a train if I have lunch meeting. I never take the bus because it is too slow. When I am at my desk, I usually work on the computer, even during morning tea. At 1 p.m. most days, I have lunch. Daily activities at home. After I have finished work, I go home to cook dinner. In my house, I usually make dinner. The family eat dinner together at 7:30 p.m. After dinner, I make sure that my children do their homework and then chill out on the sofa and watch television. On television, I usually watch the news. My husband usually comes to tell me to take the rubbish out or wash the dishes. Our children feed the dog and the cats before they go to bed, and I tell them to go to the bathroom too. The last thing I do is look the door, turn on the lights, and go to bed. Thanks for your attention.